Hebei xinnuo Roll Forming Machine Company Limited located in the famous town of Casting Molds. Enjoying convenient and effective transportation for being close No 104-106 National Road and the Jinhu Shifai High Speedway through all the area is the professional manufacturer for metal sheet cold roll forming machine with old qualifications. Our company is 160 kilometers away from Tianjin Port for enterprises export created convenient condition. Beautiful, durable and complete equipment is the commitment we gave to our customers. We not only produce different types of professional roll forming machines, but also developed intelligent automatic roll forming production line. C-shape purlin machine and precipitator anode plate forming machine. We have developed automatic production line of roll forming machine, roof panel, wall panel forming machine series, glazed tile roll forming machine series, floor deck roll forming machine series, roller shutter door roll forming machine, highway barrier forming equipment, double deck color steel tile roll forming machine series, C-shape steel purlin machine series, arc camber machine series, cutting machine and bending machine series, insulated sandwich panel machine on the base of traditional roll forming machine. Our products are recognized and praised by many customers, which also get nice praise for old and new clients by their good-looking appearance, fair frame and standard model. Credibility first, mutual benefit, honoring commitment, achieving win-win.